I used the Mani-Me Magic Cuticle Wand in this video. It has a ceramic tip and is infused with cuticle oil, so it basically buffs away dead skin and also hydrates your cuticle bed. You can really just use any cuticle tools you have around. If you don't have any tools, you can use the edge of a plastic spoon to press your cuticle beds up and then use either cuticle trimmers or scissors to then trim them. My next tip is to use a Q-tip dipped in alcohol or nail polish remover to remove any excess oil you have on your nail. Oil is our enemy when it comes to manicures, so this little step is really going to help your manicures last. Then we're going to move on to your base coat. A good base coat is going to help protect your nail from damage and stains, and it's also going to, in this case, help your nail stickers stay put. I'm using the Mani-Me base, but you can use one you already have. Seche Vite is a great brand if you're looking for a base or a top coat. I'll link everything below just in case you need it. So all you have to do is peel your Mani-Me sticker off and apply them to your nail. I did this using my hands because I am lazy, but if you really want to get cray and be super professional, you can use tweezers, and that'll prevent excess oil from getting on the sticker, which is always good. But you are going to just use your hands to really press the sticker onto your nail. I like to stretch the stickers a little. It just makes the sticker grip the nail well. It also helps press out any excess air that may be under the nail. I found the best method for me was to place the stickers on all 5 nails and then go back and trim them. I didn't shape my nails before this, instead I just clipped them on the spot and went back and filed them. Finally, you're going to finish your manicure with a top coat of your liking. If you have a gel top coat and a UV light, I would highly recommend that. If you don't, again, the brand Seche Vite is really great, cost effective, super glossy. I'll link everything below, and yeah,